In each of our fragrance compositions, there are many different orchid scents and fragrance ingredients incorporated to form a beautiful complexity. Let's start by learning each component individually. Lingering beautifully throughout the composition is the scent of this orchid. This beautiful white orchid is commonly known as dove orchid, as the central part of the flower has a well-defined dove shape. Gentle citrusy notes, a dash of eucalyptus, and soft sweet floral nuances, this is an absolute perfect scent that we fell head over heels in love with. Our fragrances seek to enhance your mood and feelings of well-being, hence the infusion of therapeutic orchids. Garnering much attention for its plethora of medicinal values, this therapeutic orchid is extensively used in both Western and Oriental medicines. Medicinally, in America and India, the extract of this orchid is used to treat nerve disorders such as spasms, hysteria, and epilepsy. While in traditional Chinese medicines, it is believed to have anti-inflammatory properties and aid in pain relief. Other minor issues like swelling and improving blood circulation can also be remedied with the herb. This next orchid has an unusual appearance. It is used in its entirety in Chinese herbal medicine to enrich yin, stop coughs, and improve blood flow. Following after the orchid scents, we have included notes of aqua, sea salt, and a splash of spicy nuances to add a more dynamic element to the overall fragrance. Added in the composition for a watery enhancement, the scent of sea salt elicits thoughts of fresh, salty ocean air, crashing waves, and romantic walks along the shores. Calming, refreshing, and cooling, it brings your mind into a state of peaceful calm and relaxation while washing away any distractions that interrupts your peace. Spice notes are great to add a kick to the fragrance and provide an invigorating warmth and potency at the same time. They sometimes come in earthly, aromatic notes with slight hints of spice, or sometimes come in a rich, clove-like scent. Such scent elements usually brighten our senses, boost our concentration, and help us to relieve lingering fatigue. A truly enchanting composition that exalts the masculinity and refreshing sensuality of this fragrance.